Hello, this is a demo to explain our product platform, Credit Nirvana, and showcase briefly some of the sub platforms which have created under Credit Nirvana. This is not the actual demo of the product. This is just to show the process flow part of it. Actual product work on an automated manner without any human intervention. Since we won't be able to show that on a screen, we thought of creating this process flow to explain how the product Nirvana product platform works. Here, I'll take you to the two sub platforms which explains from the start to end the whole process flow and what output which comes out of the Credit Nirvana platform. The first one is collect symbol, which we are doing now for the first one that you see, the loan housing. For the 00 means for all the customers who have not defaulted. This is the data which we are using for this. And this is the algorithm which is built for this particular scenario there. Now, the next step is based once I select this platform, the next is to select the relevant enterprise data which we are using in the algorithm for this particular portfolio. So these are the loan actions, the loan master, then loan outstanding, loan transactions, loan extraction borrower. These are primarily the data which the loan master gives the loan actions, give actions which we have taken for any follow-up actions for the recovery and the collection in the previously, and the loan master gives the complete loan detail of each of the customers. The outstanding is the outstanding level of the customers at various points. The transaction which describe the payment patterns of the customers, and the extraction borrower is a combination of multiple data sets used for this. So these are the data sets which have the APIs to extract data from the enterprise. Next is the external data. This is an optional data. If the enterprise gives the permission to use this data, we have built-in APIs to extract this data and use it. So this is primarily these scores are the scores of the customers with respect to their social and mobile data. This is a Q1 score, means the score which is calculated for with respect to the credit worthiness of this particular index of this particular customer for the Q1, and we split them into two and do that basically. And this is what we use here is with the permission, the mobile data and the Facebook data for the customers. The next is the feature engineering algorithm. So here, once you have the data is extracted, then we created certain feature engineering algorithms to derive the right kind of feature engineering on this data and the right kind of variables to apply the machine learning algorithm. So we select here we have different algorithms for it. We select on algorithm and apply on it. So this is creating the data set for the machine learning input. And here the various levels of count, the different set of variables are being created. And as you can see, there are about, I think, in each case, something like we create something like 100 plus minus variables for this various level of extracted variables on this. And this is what we are, this is the data of the machine learning input data. And um, once you have that, then we apply the machine learning, the relevant. This is the machine learning algorithm, and we apply the machine learning algorithm to generate the result, and the results are being, the algorithm being applied on the data, and the results are being created. So here what you could see is the the loan account number and the time in which is scored, the recovery prediction. That means whether he has a one means he has a probability to pay, and 0 means he doesn't have a probability to pay. And the recovery band, we categorize them into different bands as you've seen it in the PPT, and so, then we put them into different kind of bucketing. And the payment flag means what was his previous profile history in terms of payment. Is he a regularly paying person, or is a he's a balance builder, or is a transactor? These are the things which we use actually. Revolver, balance builder, transactor. This is based upon his previous payment behaviors. And here you could see the various recommended actions which needs to be applied to each borrower at each point of time actually. So this varies from each customer to customer. So you may have seen, and then this can be filtered. You want to see only once, you can do that. You want to select only the LPs, you can select that. So basically you can play around with this. You have to select some one account number to particular account number, you could do that. You can do a multiple combination, you could do, and so you could do all kind of filtering and sorting out, and then you will create reports based upon this. You could do that. So this is the overall the flow of the one of the subproducts, and this is with respect to the collect symbol. I will go back and then do one of the other subproducts, which is basically in the cross-sell part. We'll take the credit card cross-sell thing, and the flow is the same. I'll apply the next. I will get the data. This is the customer data, the merchant data, transaction. These are the data extracted. Only data is extracted. Then in the external data, we are not using any external data for this. And we select the machine learning, the feature engineering algorithm. We select the algorithm here. Next, the feature engineered data set is being produced over here. And based upon the particular business case, and next we apply the machine learning algorithm on top of it to create the results. So here what does it do is it's a serial number, customer ID. So here we says in this case, this particular, what does it explain is each customer, these are the merchants, the top 3 merchants, they have a propensity to go and next buy. Top merchant has this score, so he has a very high propensity to go to a travel merchant, and he has a low propensity to go to a food merchant. So each customer has been given at any point of time what is his next best buy action and which merchant he has to do that, so that you can make your cross-sell upsell of your credit card based upon this. So this is on the credit card data which has been created. So at any point of time, the bank will be able to know that for each customer which is holding the credit card, which are the top 3 customer merchants which they have a propensity to utilize that, and you could apply various level of various level of promotions, campaigns based upon this. And this can be directly connected to your marketing campaign or automation or CRM, and run the campaigns based upon that. So this is the two use cases which I wanted to show you, case studies, how Credit Nirvana is being used for various personalization purpose. The first one was facilitating the personalized collection, and this one is primarily showing the personalized cross-sell and upsell part. Thank you very much. We hope you have a good idea about our product platform, and thank you again.